Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of boiled egg. I'm going to make a cheesy boiled egg, a scrambled boiled egg, and then a plain boiled egg. Alright, thing you want to do is you're going to get your measuring cup and you're going to start 3 eggs. First we're going to start with we're going to make this a scrambled then with cheese. Blue whisk or whatever kind of whisk you got, and you give it a good stir. And give it a good scramble these there so you let all that white's out of there. Alright, you want something that looks just like this. Then you want to open this up right here. And then you want to take some spray or some kind of oil. And you want to spray the inside of that real good so the egg don't stink. Oh God, I don't like the way it stinks. Then kind of spray the lid to it. Alright, the next thing you want to do, you want to take some cheese that you grated up with the grater. And then from there, you want to put in your cheese or your egg. And just fill this up plumb full. Plumb full like that. And that's a scramble. That's been scrambled. And then we're going to add the lid. Put it right there. It's going to be a regular scrambled egg. Then we use a whisk. Scramble this real good. There ain't going to be no cheese on this one. That should be about right. The very next one is just going to be a regular egg, unscrambled. Measuring cup, that makes. I put it in the measuring cup because it makes it a lot easier putting it all in here. Last drop in there. Okay. Now we'll close this and then screw this on. And then all of them's ready to jump into the pool. Now you want to place these and just don't drop them in. You want to make sure the top's floating on top. That's very important. Or if you let them tip over like that, they'll all dream out because they're little tiny holes. So you're supposed to make sure you have these on top floating. And make sure the lids are floating on top like that. Alright, we'll come back and check them. The way you make sure they're done is they'll be on their sides. I'll show you in a little bit when we come back to the next video. Okay, that's what it looks like when they get ready to be done. I'm about to take them out. But they'll get on their sides just like this. This one would be on the side, but it's held up by this other one. Anyways, I'm going to take them out and I'm going to get a show that I put in there earlier. You remember that. And you just give it a good tap and it will come out. And there's the white boiled egg. And that's what it turned out to be. Okay. Scrambled boiled egg. And that slid out real perfectly. Look at that. Okay, last one. This is the cheese scrambled egg. Here is your boiled egg, your white one scrambled, and that's your cheese one. That's why it's a little bit big. It's cheesy. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll bring you more upcoming videos.